money. Why? I can't buy the clothes.
Oh, don't cry.
Scram! Get out of my store! Out now! And stay out! Poor puppy.
Here's a delicious slice.
Thank you. Here's the money.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Wow, you are great. Such a good helper.
Please like and subscribe for my hard work. I'm working so hard.
My money.
I earned it all.
Yay, so much. Best reward ever.
You got that?
You know it. Sorry.